So, you've all seen plenty of unboxing videos already, I'm sure. But what I'm going to do now is just a really quick rundown of what you actually get in the box with this brand new drone from DJI, the Air 2S. Now, the first question you're probably all wondering is, why have you got a white battery on this drone? Well, that's because that's the battery from my Mavic Air 2. And they fit perfectly into the Air 2S. So if you have an Air 2 right now, the Air 2S batteries will fit it. And in fact, if you actually reveal the batteries, take them both off and have a look on the underside, the batteries are actually exactly the same. There isn't an Air 2S battery. If you look at the text on top, you'll notice that they both clearly say Mavic Air 2. So that's really nice that you know that the batteries are interchangeable, they're the same voltage, the same consumption, etc. So I'm charging everything up at the moment to take it out and go and do some lovely reviews for you guys. The drones themselves are identical, except of course for the upwards obstacle avoidance, which you can see clearly this one doesn't have. I have a white protective skin on this one. Besides that, of course, they do have different cameras. If we just reveal the camera on the Air 2S, I hate these gimbal covers. They are never ever easy to get off, and I'm sure that people out there will damage their drones with these horrible gimbal covers, but it is what it is. There you can see is the 1-inch sensor of the Air 2S, 20 megapixels it says clearly on there, and of course the 1/2-inch sensor of the Air 2. God, the Air 2 camera looks so tiny compared to the sensor size now of the Air 2S that you can see there. Now, if we just bring in the big daddy, the Mavic 2 Pro with its massive 1-inch Hasselblad, that's when you really see the difference between these different sensors or these different cameras. Look how small the sensor of the Air 2S looks in comparison to the 2 Pro, and then you've got the Air 2 there as well. Significant difference. Of course, it all comes down to the picture quality. It's not just about the size of the actual camera unit, it's about the end result. But anyway, so in the package, I've got the Fly More combo. You get the regular controller, which looks exactly the same. You get cables in there, you get the drone, and you get a battery attached to it. In addition to that, you get the lovely leather bag that you get with everything else. And in that leather bag, you get 2 sets of props. So you get 8 props in total, which of course look like that. Nice to have spares. You get cables, so the USB cable for the controller for charging. You get spare joysticks for the controller as well. You also get this nice little USB hub. I like this little accessory. If you're ever out and about and you need to charge something up and you've got a bit of battery capacity left and you don't want to waste that charge, then you can charge up your phone or the controller or anything with this little add-on. It plugs onto the battery and gives you 2 USB ports. Quite nice. You also get, which is really nice, ND filters. Now, DJI bundling these with every new drone, it seems. You get a 4, 8, 16 and a 32. Probably putting the third-party ND filter manufacturers out of business in some respects, although they only go up to 32 here. So some of you shooting on a really bright day might want something brighter. You get, of course, the box. That's what it all comes in. And then, of course, you get the power and the charging brick. But besides that, this drone, I must say, I'm looking at these 3 here now, and I am thinking, do I really need these 2 anymore? It's quite a decision to take, really, because this new one is going to do everything. Now, when I first reviewed the Air 2, I took it on an Active Track test, and it was incredible with Active Track 3, which was brand new. This thing has Active Track 4, and I can't wait to test that. Got a load of videos queued up and ready to be edited, so if you'd like to see those, head over to the main Droning On channel. Those videos are live already, and there's a lot more to come. But if you've got any questions about this drone, just comment below. More than happy to help. And on this channel, Droning On Live, I'm happy to just literally film in answer to your questions, whichever questions you have, publish the video, and up it goes so you get a quick answer. Anyway, time to get out filming before it starts raining. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit subscribe if you want to watch more content like this, and I'm looking forward to your comments. Cheers.